How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We have an EBOX 2.0 V2 here. I love the color scheme. It's black and kind of like a goldy brown type color. I think it looks really good, really slick. They have a few different colors. This is just kind of a walk around video just so you can see it up close and some features. So there's the wheel, the rear shock assembly. This is a 60 volt, 18.4 amp hour battery. You charge it right here, just twist and take that off. You got the forks, the front wheel, on-off switch right there, your brakes, which is just a knockoff of Shimano type brakes. You got your key, pull your key in and out, turn it on, pretty straightforward, 95% battery percentage, and then you're on off and then twist throttle and go. It's that easy. I personally like this one a little bit over the EBOX Dragster because the EBOX Dragster is, it's just I think it's just more of a fun pit bike, right? This is more something your small child could get used to riding. It's battery, they don't have to worry about a hot exhaust. They don't have to worry about fuel. You can easily transport this, right to the trailhead. You can just toss on its side in a van, pickup truck, RV, camper, whatever. And it's easy to take with you and your child could have a lot of fun. You do have adjustments for the forks, both sides. You also have adjustments here for how hard the response is on the throttle. On the Dragster, they call it aggression, I think it's aggression. And it makes it more snappy. So I kind of like I have this down, and you can still, no matter what, put the speed up. We have it all the way up, but you can turn it down too, so your child can go out there and just putz around. And as they get better, you can turn it up. Of course, it's accessible, so once they get to the point of understanding, they can just turn it up themselves and just play around and be a kid. So to take the battery out is just through the front right there. Pretty straightforward. To access wires and stuff, just take this off, take that bolt out, or the other side, and you can access all the safety wires. It does have safety cutoffs, but for an adult just playing around as a pit bike, you might just want to take those off. Just unscrew it out, take the side cover off, top covers, and look for the wire bundle and just go ahead, detach it, and take them off. It's that simple. Okay, let's take this out and see how she does. So I have it response all the way down, speed all the way up. Oh. We'll go this way. It's pretty quiet. Yeah, I like that. It's really quiet, really smooth. I mean, I'm a 200-pound adult, so yeah, this is nice. Customer's gonna be happy. Just a little test ride on it just so we can see how it does. And it does really good. There we have it. Just want to do a little test ride, you know. Don't want to break it in too much, but it's working. It's awesome. Customer's going to be happy. He's buying it for his kid. So that's awesome. I'm kind of jealous. I wish I would have had this type of stuff when I was young. So these kids are lucky nowadays. Really affordable, I think. At like $1,799, I believe. So not too bad. And you don't have to mess with fuel. You don't have to worry about a hot exhaust. You don't have to worry about changing gears. It's something to have fun on, and it just works. You can toss it in your RV, in your truck, in your van, lay it on its side, lay it upside down for all we, all we care, and it will be just fine because you're not dealing with fuel. That's what's nice about electric bikes, and they're quiet too. So you can use this around your yard. If you have a little piece of property, we live in such good times with these because you can have tracks at home and noise will never be an issue or a concern for your neighbors. So anyways, come down to A&M Moto Choice and check out the EBOX 2.0 V2, and also we have the dragsters in stock. Check out my video on that. That will be coming up here shortly. Have a good one.